Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. Remember that we just saved Homer Simpson in our list of customers? Now we can go and see where he is. So if we go back to pending customers, there's no one here because we found Homer Simpson here. We saved him or updated his profile, and now he's not here any longer. Now we can go to all customers, and I'm pretty sure that we will find him here. So all customers will show you all your customers across every location. This is the full database of your customers. If I start typing here Homer, there you go, Homer Simpson, he is here. So now I click on his profile again, and if I click on diver certification and I scroll down, I can see that I can verify the certificates. You can click on verify and check in Dive Center 1. This is because I'm currently in this Dive Center 1 location. I click here and you can see that it was verified on the 13th of September, today, by GD Tutorials, which is my login name. I will see that Homer Simpson is not only in all customers. I can search again if you like, so I can type here Homer and I find him here. But now Homer Simpson is also in my current customers. There he is. The current customers are a subset of all customers. These are the customers that are currently here with you. They are diving with you, they are snorkeling with you, they are doing activities within your dive center, and they are current in the location that you see on top here. These are the people that you can add to your activities, to your courses and to your trips. Thank you for watching.